Tecno is focusing on battery endurance with the Tecno Spark 50, swapping fast charging for a massive 6,700 mAh of power even with slower charging. The device features a 6.7-inch display, giving you a large canvas for videos, gaming, and social media. It comes with IP64 rating, which just means that your phone is protected against some degree of water and dust. That does not mean you can dip the phone inside water. Design-wise, Tecno keeps things modern here. And despite the large battery, the phone still feels reasonably manageable in the hand. It does not feel bulky, yeah? One of the major talking points is the charging setup. This phone comes with 18 watts charging, which is notably slower compared to the 45 watts that we saw on the Spark 40. If you've not seen the video, please refer to our previous videos. So this one comes with 18 watts instead of 45 watts, but the battery is bigger. So that battery gives you impressive endurance. You would definitely spend more time plugged in when it runs low, but then it will serve you the whole day without you needing to recharge, depending on your usage anyway. The Dimensity 6400 handles daily multitasking smoothly enough for regular use. It comes with 4GB RAM, extendable to 8, so you can actually extend the RAM, and then you have 128GB, which is very basic. So for your social media, streaming, messaging, and casual gaming, performance stays fairly comfortable. If you need something that is largely comfortable, you may want to go for something higher. And then Tecno AI is also integrated in this phone, bringing AI features aimed at productivity, smart assistance, and everyday convenience. We dealt extensively with this Tecno AI in our previous video on Spark 40 also, so you may want to have a check. For cameras, comes with 50 MP main sensor, and then it uses AI to process and manage your video. We also checked this AI sensor in our previous video. A dead phone in Lagos can ruin your entire day, and honestly, that is why phones like the Tecno Spark 50 matter. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.